Hi everyone. In this lecture video, we are going to say about Cloud Service Management Unit 1. The main objective of your cloud service management is to introduce about cloud service terminologies, definitions, and concepts. It has to compare and say what are the services that are different from your traditional IT service management, and we are going to see what are the reduce risk and eliminate the issues that are associated with your cloud adaptation services, and we are going to do how to design the structure of your cloud and how to deploy and run your cloud based services in the business environment. Then we are going to see what are the benefits and what are the basic cloud services that are bringing into a real world problems. These are the main objectives of your cloud service management unit. Then in unit 1, we are going to see about what is cloud ecosystem, essential characteristics, what is IT, that is information technology service management and cloud service management, and service perspectives, cloud service model, and cloud deployment model. The first one is your cloud service management. We are going to see the definition, what actually a cloud service management will do. Actually, a cloud service management refer to the process, tools, policies, and rules used to ensure the effective provisioning, operation, and improvement of cloud-based services. That is, in real world, we can use the cloud service management with the help of any cloud-supported softwares that can give a list of process and tools and policies and some of the rules to ensure the effective process of your cloud services. The main goal behind your cloud service management is your deliver the value, standardization, SLA compliance, service life cycles, visibility, and control. Who are involved in your cloud service management? There are called as your cloud computing roles. The main role in your cloud service management are cloud consumers, cloud provider, cloud broker, cloud auditor, cloud carrier. Cloud consumer, they are nothing but they are going to actually use the services that are called, they are called as a cloud consumers. And cloud provider, who is actually delivering the services to the consumer, they are called as a cloud provider. The next role is a cloud broker. Actually, this role is going to manage the services that are going to be used in your cloud environment. Then cloud auditor, if there is any compliance arise in your cloud services, they are going to ensure the compliance and security auditing. Cloud carrier, it provides the connectivity and transport of services. Next, we are going to see who are the top cloud service providers uh, uh, in nowadays. Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Salesforce Cloud, IBM Cloud Platform, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, Alibaba Cloud, SAP Cloud, VMware Cloud, White Cloud, Digital Oceans. These are the popular top cloud services that are nowadays they are used in your cloud environment. And the next one is your cloud ecosystem. A cloud ecosystem is a dynamic and interdependent system composed of cloud service providers, consumers, cloud platforms, third-party tools, APIs, and integration partners, regularities, and compliance bodies. They are collectively called as a cloud ecosystem. Roles in your cloud ecosystem. As like in your cloud service management, your cloud ecosystem has same roles in your environment, the same as your cloud service management, that is your cloud consumer, provider, auditor, broker, and carrier. The essential characteristics of your cloud service management. The National Institute of Standard and Technology define the five essential characters that distinguish the cloud computing from traditional IT environments. They are widely accepted in both industries and academia. A first character is your on-demand services. Second one is your broad network access. Third one is your resource pooling. Fourth, rapid elasticity. Then fifth one is your measured services. Now we are going to see one by one what are the each characters. First one is here on-demand self-service. Users can provision computing resources like server time and storage automatically without a human intervention. with the provider. So when there is a need for your consumer, it automatically provide the services. It is going to provide the services based on their demand. So that is called as your on-demand self-services. For example, launching a VM instance in AWS EC2 without calling a support. The main benefits behind your on-demand self-services here: faster deployment, user empowerment, reduced administrative burden. The second one is here broad network access. It is going to provide a capability or available over a network and access to a standard mechanism that promote the use by heterogeneous thin or thick client platform. For example, through mobile phone or laptop or PDS. The cloud service must provide universally accessible across platform and devices. Consumers do not need a specialized hardware or software to access the services. Promotes the interoperability and availability in services. So these are the best examples of here our broad network access. Nowadays we are using Google Docs, Google Sheets. That are the main one of the main services of your cloud. Next one is here resource pooling. Generally, a pooling is nothing but a collective or a grouping. Like that, we are going to have it in a one particular place. That is called as here pooling. A resource pooling is nothing but we are going to have a set of resources in a one particular place. When there is any need, you can be used from it. That is called as here resource pooling. The provider computing the resources are pooled to serve a multiple consumers using a multiple tenant model. Different physical and virtual resources dynamically assigned and redesigned according to the consumer need. A cloud provider aggregate and share the resources among a multiple consumers dynamically, leading to efficiency, elasticity, and cost optimization. Multiple users share the same physical infrastructure but operate in logically isolated environment. Resources are provisioned and deprovisioned automatically using hypervisor, orchestration, and container platform. Next one is your rapid elasticity. Capabilities can be elastically provisioned and released, in some cases automatically, to scale rapidly outward and inward, commensurate with demand. Rapid elasticity refers to the automatic and seamless scaling of cloud resources up or down based on their workload demands. From a user perspective, resources often appear unlimited and available at any time. Think of rapid elasticity like a balloon that inflates or deflates based on the amount of air. The cloud infrastructure expands or contracts to meet your exact needs, no more, no less. Type of elasticity. Vertical scaling, that is, you can call it as a scale up or scale down. That is nothing but increasing or decreasing the power of existing resources. For example, you are upgrading your CPU utilization or a RAM or a VMware. This is commanded your vertical scaling. And horizontal scaling, that is nothing but your scale out or scaling. Add or remove the instance or resources. Add more servers during high traffic. For example, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Benefits of your rapid elasticity. Optimization, that is whenever you need, you can be paid and you can be used. That is called as your phase as you go. Then performance, handle a load, spikes without a service degradation, resilience, then scalability. Measured services. So one of the other characteristic of your cloud, measured services is automatically controlled and optimize the resource uses by leveraging a metering capability at some level of abstraction appropriate to the type of service. Measured services means that every resource's usage in the cloud is monitored, controlled, reported, and built. This is fundamental to pay as you go and the cloud cost transparency models. The next topic is your information technology service management. What actually it is going to do? What is the role of the ITSM in your cloud service management meant? ITM is a disciplined approach to designing, delivering, managing, and improving the way IT services are used in the organization to meet the business goals and customer needs. Delivering value to the customers, managing the end-to-end life cycle of IT services, aligning IT with business processes. It ensures IT services align with business needs. process oriented, focuses on service delivery and continual improvement. The goal of ISDM is align IT with business, ensuring the IT services to support the business objectives. Standardize the process, define the repeatable and efficient workflow, improve the quality services uh, by means of reducing the downtime and improve the performance, reduce the cost, optimize the resources, avoid over provisioning, enhance the user experience, faster resolution, better service accesses. What are the processes of your ISTM? Uh, The first one is your service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, continual service improvement. Benefits of your ISTM, ITSM, improved efficiency, better service quality, clear communication, performance visibility, lower operational costs. How you can we define a cloud service management? A cloud service is a service that exists in the cloud and it is offered through the internet. It refers to the end-to-end management of a cloud-based services, ensuring that service delivery, monitoring, optimization, and governance align with business and technical goals. CSM involves managing the lifecycle of cloud services through planning, delivery, operation, and retirement while ensuring the performance, compliance, and cost efficiency. What are the cloud services model? Generally, cloud services models are three. That is software as a service that belongs to a cloud application, platform as a service that belongs to a cloud platform, infrastructure service that belongs to the cloud infrastructure. Now we are going to see one by one. What is cloud infrastructure as a service? This base layer provides the capabilities such as storage, network, and other fundamental computing resources. AWS, Elastic Computer Cloud, Azure Virtual Machines, IBM Cloud, and Cloud Compute Engine are the most popular examples of IaaS. Next one is your platform as a service. The ability to deploy locally developed or purchased apps written in any language, library, service, or a tool available in the cloud is made as possible by this feature. Platform as a service solution include Amazon Elastic Beanstalk, Microsoft Azure Web App, Google App Engine. Next one is your software as a service. This client service such as web browsers or a program interface allow the program to be accessed from various client devices. Among the most well-known SaaS companies are Salesforce, Workday, ServiceNow, and Slack. The popular software companies including Microsoft, Adobe, SAP, Oracle, Autodesk have a SaaS option. Who use Generally, your IT admin will go for a IaaS services. A developer is using the PaaS services and a business user is using the SaaS services. Apart from these three service models, you have one more thing that is called anything as a service that is represented as XaaS that can be used by any enterprise or a student. Next, we are going to see cloud service deployment models. The cloud deployment model defines how the cloud services are made available to user who owns, manage, and access the infrastructure and resources. The business requirement will determine which cloud deploy type is the best for you. There are three types of cloud. First one is a private cloud. A cloud infrastructure built and provisioned slowly for the private users of a single organization is called a private cloud. It can be owned, managed by the organization that uses it or by a third party and can be hosted on the owner's or a consumer's premises. It can also be dedicated platform in a public cloud environment for your organization only, suitable for banks, government agencies, organizations with regulatory requirements. Next one is a public cloud. A cloud resources are owned and operated by third-party providers and delivered over a public internet. The cloud infrastructures built and provisioned for any organization or individual that want to use it and agree to the terms and conditions of use. Any business or a publicly funded organization can own and manage a public cloud suitable for startups, small organizations, or incentive applications. The next one is your Hybrid cloud. It combines the public and private cloud, enabling the data apps to move between them. Custom or standardized technology allow the data and application to run seamlessly on a single cloud type, across cloud type, or move from one to another. An organization uses the interconnected private and public cloud structures in a hybrid cloud, suitable for enterprise needing both control and agility. The last one is your community or a government cloud, shared by several organizations with common needs. The community or the government cloud provides a private cloud environment for a specific group of users. In most cases, only participating community members can access this cloud environment. Users work together because they have worries about safety, software type, laws, and efficiency. It's mainly suitable for healthcare, finance, consortia, and educational groups. So after that, we have seen about what are the things that are in your cloud service management unit 1. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.